Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
So far, teacher to say.
Adia betia etiefo nyina bebi omwo. Bebi omo share Facebook live na ye betia obia. Adia fight against Galamsey. Ghana fo nyina nyayanka yehu yensema. If you say yensuo na ese. Na de na oye bisa ne say anye bia openin bia ni krom ha okasa obiti ana. If say Temekaya 2017 yesa sense na Akufo-Addo ka say obekun atia ade we aye friend no Galamsey. Ohyase media obia boje de so obia ni giye if you say ni yehu say aye national issue a yanhwe ne yi a yensuo ene asase essay na enne meka say 4.5 years after sadie we still no the fight is becoming difficult by the day. Inti asema ye bisa ne say anye bia na do okasa 4 years ago no anye bia obia mbohu obia ensuro se omampani bi wo asasi so e wo Ghana ha wakasa se omo ye mining omo ye Galamsey egusu eye omo te atua pa de akyere president se ye mfa ye ho ye bekoso aye Galamsey ana Ajeri ya se obia ensuro na Akufo-Addo na eye me so ya efi se enyo no na Akufo-Addo na omunsuro no omunsuro the high office of this land se president akase yenjai Galamsey 2017 18 nsuo na ni ante 19 na adane eye motodeba 20 na nkoto na ewo mu ni iwuba edu 20 no ena amane na aka ni wuye ena adwiri nso na aka ewo nsuo no mu so 20 no eni nyina be wuye nti obisa se anya bia omampani Ghana fo amutu Galamsey no omusuro na anaso munsuro no ebi se nkopani kasa nke wo se ubukotodwepo na wo usuro
I aswordini o tete de aka de aswordini attitude the other one.
But the attitude must be contained in a particular way because meka na maka say president kra sebi oduebo because wa won crofo e ka ho no mu yade wa wu su say munja Galamsey no mun crofo ni bia woni omo party ba ku ni mu a e na ye koka so obi ye Galamsey a onu ni din ye bebo and now say 2 days ago we share video bi abronye or the radio station the TV station bi na okasa o tere say monitoring and evaluation manager what ministries on the crown no onu su tu Galamsey ni bi e wa Adamsu forest o sig police force so ya for na ya tu omso omonko no omonko Cobra forest so Cobra forest na Galamsey fo e wo ho ntimi bisa se anya bia sa baby aye tre Adamsu forest you say Cobra forest anya bia DC ni ho na ohini bi so ni ho asase na ankrofo ni tu Galamsey no wo so no panyin bia ni sa asase so a osuro president Akufo-Addo ana se dem the president Akufo-Addo anima e form say president kasa omumfa nye adwuma because of Galamsey ana. I think it is time the president must fight this thing head-on collision. Minjin this set the okan no. Galamsey no excavators ni hye no and be solve problem. Na ye ko enim no be bisa say nyama esi in the past no anya bia does it have an effect on us today ana. Nyama bia esi dawo but yamfa nye adwuma. Hwe sa wo be kai a Aisha 1 ye ja no ma ne koye no.
Yeah.
Aye jelly nkrofo bi no. Se me e Ghana ni e jelly mi nuanom ni e ja Aisha maybe sa nsem. Se me kai pa ye jailing nkrofo bi 39 years. So better story be at that Pulse FM. On the 16th of November 2018, 30 illegal miners jailed for 39 years and they paid a fine of 24,000. On the 10th of September 2018, Ministry was going to name and sack MMDCs. And also, Yantefe. On the 24th of May 2017, Ye Papa Honorable Peter Mewu, or see then, he was so angry to the extent so the soldiers are now protecting the Galamseyers in the forest. Ye Papa when you baby cock, Yamifa in currency say John. Or see Galamsey fights, no. The authorities above him are controlling them. Openi, usha we na utimi who say Galamsey fight near Shasia 2017 no. Enya de aye koye nim. I said ye the car national reverse. Na ye be gina TV nim na ye betina radio so a. Endo de lip service ye be kana mana de de. Vice President Baumia wo he. Deploy drones. They call somebody could detect it. Excavators are ejuma. Water pumps are air trains you. In Crawford, most senior away in rain. We see ne. When you na my papa Kufuado, BB Yano, I'm an BP aba. Yes, what's not play Mukwabro. If you say, well, who said Juma or the Sancrophone and Omuntimi and yet? I know they would relate to you. I don't know. Only your official assignment. Oh, me official. Say, what's not play if you go to Kada? Obetimasi. Utu to car, you live to be before. Not on wire form. Me can't be here. Pressure will come hand His Excellency a Bruno because on one crop for air then. What kind of us be power? Oh, come here, yourself. Come here, yourself. We grow up with every UK, they ever Ghana. Yeah, at the moment, I was saying, very soon. We arrive at Kotoka. We are in the Ghana airspace. We not playing the move from any, it's not from any answer. So it's a luxury. Yes, I'm a Ghana. It's president. Opportunity say I was so fit Ghana. You also pressure will come. What my instructions? Ninkro for intimi and follow to the letter. But young conco buobi. Our office I say ya sakeno from a friend is saying national security can tell you be your boys mo go to the see the 20 so the naba. Na young ma instructions say obia njai Galamsey ne de Mageri. But I no mo guso mo queen. How are they fighting it? Look, if you ask me, because first term, you know, so we can. Nana do we say no man go ye. And I will be Sammy America say MPP first term we no, and this current dispensation, you know, one more first term, you know, but it failed. And it's the president can say there be then yes and we in common will be, and then yeah consultative forum and then we are ya tintim no ma blueprinter. Yeah, just say ye be to me at the aquatia this anchor. Let me say this. I agree with you, sir. But still, you say problem no wo. You started say you fight here 2017. When you now body who gym, media DH and what have you. Then they see our time no. Question another say, is the president really fighting Galamsey? Is he really fighting Galamsey? Okay, sir. Issue na ebaye between Charles Bishop mono. Okay, sir, case no. It's still under investigations though. Okay, look, let me quote something to you. On the 19th of December 2018, state prosecutors were directed by President Akufo-Addo to enter Nolly Prosecute in the presentation of the case in Accra High Court by Mr. Justice Charles Ekobedin. Ewo case we hu Aisha one case. Aisha one onya British o. Aisha one emfi Senegal. Aisha one enya American or ye Chinese. Enne nkrofo mu say yensuo Chinese for. Inti aden ni entimi fa enansi from enkase China for Galamsey foi, there should be a standstill to their operations. Yani number before for and yes ye she for excavators. Meanwhile Chinese foi, as I speak to you no, still omutu Galamsey. Inti ya kwana see by. Samuel Jinapo, it is true, but I can tell you this fight you won't win. Because Nanado himself with Peter Meu and Fripom Boating started this fight. Added by a friend is saying Dr. Balbia with his drones. How we use technology crano. He couldn't fight him. Samuel Jinapo, which one again are you going to use? They see well, let me ask Sammy me Paucho.
But just I was sounding
negative.
Oh, trying to be pessimistic.
Negative.
No, we said what sounded negative. Say at the end I said young.
You are fighting, but you are fighting a lost battle. Why am I saying so? Sammy say, minister say, yen she excavators. If he say, yeah, chia, ebe sign it chia. Let me ask the minister: is he saying that he doesn't have the power to seize excavators and keep them in a safe place? Or no, minister, don't mean ye. I beg your pardon. Don't see if he should stop being a minister. A minister cannot seize excavators and park them in a place secured. And you tell me, say, your best option is to burn them? I don't think so. That is a minister who didn't say. Osuro say, Tom. Sami Suro say, Ochi excavators grand go bua. Yabama the pressure, la excavators, that's not. I should it quite at the forest review. That stands to reason that the minister does not even have 100% power. No, the demand is divine, because there are other powers in government can cause the excavators to fly from wherever he will keep them.
Utie Oha Exi Ponkno Needs FM.